guys, good morning. So we are in my studio space today, but today we are going to run an errand. I have pretty much cleaned up my studio. We did a summer clean out. What I want to do is replace these white cabinets right here. Not that I want to replace them completely, but all the things that I have in those drawers, I want to actually put them kind of like under my permanent cabinet, and I want to do a clear drawer system. Just because we are outside, it gets a little bit more humid in here, and these little cabinets are not holding up very well. These little Alex drawers, they're not holding up really well. So I'm gonna find a different solution. And we also have to stop by the Salon store because we have a few more products. So yeah guys, come along with me. Are you ready to go? So guys, we are on our way to the store. We have a shopping partner with us today. See you guys there. Hi guys, we are here. We are going to grab our stuff and we're gonna go inside. And we actually came to a Home Goods, so let's go. Hi baby girl! Hey girly! I think I found these. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, madre? ¿Qué pasa, madre? You want Mama to open it? Or you got it yourself? You got it yourself? Just let me know. Say hi. You need strawberries? You have strawberry in your eyelash. Strawberry in your eyelash. Say hi. Say hi. Kiss. Kiss. Say hi. Hi. Go and get those. Good job. Guys, I might have went overboard, but if I got too much, I have my receipt. And I will return it. But I really need to get this together. When my space is organized, I work better. I'm gonna take a walk. Just Salon Center. So guys, I will see you guys at Salon Center. We decided not to walk. It is 91 degrees in NC today, and this humidity is terrible. Terrible. Horrible. Like, it's terrible. Like, my hair is already in a clip. Like, ugh. Inside. We're gonna see how we do this. I'm not gonna take my bag shoes because she doesn't need shoes right now, okay? She dropped it in the middle of the road. So we don't need shoes. So yeah, let's go. Because after this, coffee. You ready to go, mamita? Yeah? You can stay in the car. I think. I hope so. I'm pretty sure she can. Don't drop your bottle now. Don't drop your shoe either. Yeah, be careful. No te vayas a sentar, ¿ok? No. Quickest salon-centric grab in my life. Not that the world has to accommodate moms, or that moms are like, you know, superior or whatever, but there are stylists that are moms, right? And the carts had no like little, like, you know, like the little seat area for kids. And I get it, it's a salon store, but it's a, you know, a product store, kids shouldn't be in there. But what if there's a mom that like needs to go in and grab something and have, you know, like, not that they have to accommodate, but I really thought they're, I don't know. And I didn't bring a carrier, and a stroller would be too much for 5 minutes, and, you know, but anyways, 2 products I picked up. I had no more dry shampoo. Not for my kit, nor for my personal stash. So I picked up the Kenra Volume Dry Shampoo. I typically use the Amika one, but I picked up this one. And then I did pick up another Amika. This is the Amika times LS Brooklyn Miami Nectar Perk Up. Such a cute cat packaging. I love that this time around it's like this. I hate when I lose my lids to my products. It's just something that I can't stand. Even with my own personal makeup, even with my own personal products, even with like my pens, I hate when there's no cap to it. So I love that this has this. But yeah, we still have about 40 minutes until our appointment. So we're gonna go grab a coffee, and we have to make our way out anyways. So guys, I was looking like a hot mess. Like, I have like my shirt tucked into my pants, but then I was carrying her. Her shoe fell off. I had to stop in the middle of the road. Like, guys, these are little cute little crockies or frocks. We got them at like Cracker Barrel. A lot of mom content today. But yeah, so let's go grab a coffee. We got a shaken espresso. Yeah, guys, it is 91 degrees today. It is too hot. Here it is. So once I get back to my studio, guys, we will work on the rest. So yeah, guys, thanks for coming with me. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. So we are back in the salon, and we are going to change this area and this area. I have an idea of using these acrylic drawers, and I just picked them up from TJ Maxx. I have a total of 11 new drawers, but I actually have 5 or 6 already here in my studio. I might have over purchased, but you guys know, if you go to Home Goods and if you go to TJ Maxx, if you don't buy what you need right then and there, you probably won't see it again. So, with that being said, let's get this started. budgets. We changed all of this to this, and I am really proud of the changes that I've done. So guys, if you have any more tips on organization or on any improvements that I can do to my studio, please let me know down below. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys!